Hi guys, good afternoon. For today, we will be unboxing Aday. Blind box siya. Bali animal series to. Marami siyang pagpipilian. Merong bear, panda, pig, sheep, dinosaur, green and pink. And then we also have rabbit, bee, and yung secret. So let's check kung sino yung nakuha natin. And i-add ko rin siya sa yellow basket para makapili din kayo guys. So, let's start. Guys. So, nasira. Okay. So, this one. Nice. So, let's open it. Sino ang nakuha natin? So, this one is... Ay, ang cute. Dinosaur pink. Siya yung dinosaur pink. So, ito yung face. So, zoom natin, guys. Para makita nyo yung details. And then, ito yung back part ng head niya. So, may lagayan din siya ng keyring. And then, yung back part ng likod. Ayan. So, may tail siya since it's a dinosaur. Ayan. Tapos, purple yung tummy niya. And then, may tag siya dito. And then, yung feet niya, ayan. Cute, diba? So, attach natin yung... Ito yung card. Wait lang, guys. So, this one. So, nakalagay dito is... Dinosaur pink. Ayan. So, hindi tayo nakakuha ng secret for this set. And then, included na din to. Wait lang guys, sorry. Ito. So, i-attach mo lang siya dito. Tapos, ayun na. So, okay na siya, guys. So, ayun guys, add ko siya sa yellow basket. Please do follow me and claim yung vouchers before mag-check out para makaless kayo. So, ayun guys. Thank you for watching.